So there are a couple of ways you can back up your Galaxy A27. So I'm going to show you a few of those. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to accounts and backup, tap on that, and then you can go and back up in Samsung Cloud. So if you have a Samsung account set up on your phone and you have enough storage space in your Samsung Cloud, then you can choose to back up your data in Samsung Cloud. Now you also have the option to back up in Google Drive, and also you have the option to back up to a Windows PC or even your Mac. Now, for those ones, you're gonna need the Smart Switch application installed on your Windows computer or on your Mac. In fact, I have a full video on that. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check that out. But in terms of just backing up, there are all these options. Now you can also choose to plug in an external storage device like a USB flash drive and then back that up. So once you plug in a flash drive or an external SSD, you can see backup data to USB storage device. So you can tap on that and then choose to back up to a USB storage device. So those are all the options you have to just back up your Galaxy A27. Now I'm gonna do dedicated videos for each of the methods. So make sure you stay subscribed. Check out the playlist. You should find those videos in there. Thanks for watching and good luck.